all your marketing content's on point. Your website looks great, your headshots look great, your social media posts are going out consistently, but you're just not seeing the leads rolling in. I have one idea that I'd like to share, and it was inspiration from this networking event. So let's go. So I'm here at the Lodge in historic Lewes, Delaware. Beautiful venue, but I'm here for a mixer for the Georgetown Chamber of Commerce, which by the way is a phenomenal chamber. They're really a members first chamber, but I wanted to share to your marketing issue or to your lead generation issue, I wanted to share why I'm actually networking aside from networking, right? So my goal from the networking isn't just to be known in my community. That's the first thing you need to do, is to plug in and make sure people know you exist, right? If they don't know who you are, if they've never met you, they can't call on you, they can't hire you, they don't know about your products and services, right? So the first part is that they know who you are. So that's the first reason we should all do it. But there's another reason that I've found, and actually makes networking easier, because I'm not here to sell anyone. What I'm actually here to do is almost grassroots market research, where I get to hear their pain points, their struggles around marketing, around video, around advertising, and I get to hear what they tried, what doesn't work, what they're frustrated with, all of these different things, right? So I get to know exactly the people in my area that are in my market that are potential customers. You know, I can take that information and I can actually plug it in on the front end of my marketing, right? So that all my messaging, all my content, whether it's short form on social media or more medium long form on YouTube like this, I get to speak to exactly what they've already told me their pain points are and offer solutions, whether it's my product or services, or maybe it's just content that actually helps them.
Let him cook.
And this conversation just reminded me about it. So I think if you think of it this way, you can be more intentful with your networking, take the pressure off the sales, and also listen more to understand who they are and what they need. And I think it's a huge resource for you when it comes to marketing and generating more leads going forward. So after you gathered all this information, if you want to know what videos to make, yeah, that was right, to really speak to all the information you just got, to connect with them, to hopefully draw leads to you instead of having to come network all the time and try to go get them, follow the channel and or watch these next videos that might be able to help you kind of simplify the video or the content side of your marketing. All right, thanks.